find the value of x so that tank is an isosceles trapezoid. So if we would want tank to be an isosceles trapezoid, then we would need angle N and angle A to be congruent. And we would want angle T and angle K to be congruent because those are the both of the pairs of base angles. So we would need N to be 12x degrees as well. We would need T to be 25x plus 32 degrees. Okay. So with all that being said, we would know that you could do this a couple ways. You would know that this is not preferred. 2 of the base angles plus the other 2 base angles have to equal 360 degrees, right? Or you can just jump to the idea that the consecutive angles are going to be 180 degrees. So 12x plus 25x plus 32. So this is angle N and angle K. And then that's going to be supplementary. 12x plus 25x plus 32. Verify. Verify. Does this make sense? Four. So then we would just, highly recommend double checking. So we know that in order for this to make sense, we would need 12 times 4 is 48. This would also have to be 48. 100 plus 32, so this would be 132. And then we would just want to make sure 132 plus 48 equals, what did I do? 132 times 2 plus 96. It's 360. Correct.